Hey guys, it's Morgan, and I am on my way home, which is absolutely crazy to me. At 9 o'clock this morning, I rolled into. Ooh, that sounds crazy. There's my wife. She's the best in the world. She's taking very good care of me. And there's the pup, who's kind of worthless. She just lays there or causes problems. And hang on. Rep. So yeah, I was 9 o'clock, rolled in. They put a spinal epidural in me, basically numbed everything from my belly button down. I was still awake for that. Then they put me to sleep. It was not a true general anesthetic. It was a propofol, which my brother, who's an anesthetist, likes to call Jackson juice. But yeah, they made me go to sleep, and I don't remember anything, but it was not like a full-on general anesthetic. Didn't have to have a tube down my throat or anything like that. So I feel great now, and yeah, I feel pretty good. I mean, it's real sore, but it's sore in a different way. So that is the best news yet, is that it's not like it was. I've already went and had a burger at Expert Burger. Thank you guys very much. And now we're on our way home. I'll be home tonight, and I just can't even believe that that's how this goes. So we're gonna head on home. Stick with us. We'll be filming this whole rehab process and show you how long it takes and what we get to do, and then when we get to go ride dirt bikes.